Sarah, I'm going to share with you how to blow out your hair. We're going to prep your hair using Thicken Up to enhance your volume and add incredible shine. I'm going to add 3 pumps into my hand and spread that throughout, then run it from the roots all the way to the ends of your hair. For a more dramatic effect, start with a deep side part. Use your 413 brush to make sure that all of the product is spread throughout your hair. We will begin taking a horizontal section right above your ear and clipping the rest away. To start your blow dry, Express Ion Round XL brush and Paul Mitchell Pro Tools blow dryer. When you're doing your blowout, we're going to use a nozzle on the blow dryer. This helps concentrate the airflow, making smooth passes. Take the section, hold it high, and pull the round brush from underneath to create control. After I get each section thoroughly dried, I go through with the cool shot to help lock in the volume. All right, Sarah, now we have the front of your hair completely dried and we're going to work on the back. Working into the back, we're going to use a nozzle on the blow dryer. This helps concentrate the airflow, making smooth passes. Okay, Sarah, the blow dry is complete and now it's your turn. So start with Thicken Up. Put 2 to 3 pumps of that in your hands and you'll put that throughout the lengths of your hair. Now take your 413 and brush through to distribute the product, starting from the top of your head to behind your ear. Then take that first panel horizontally, take your Express Ion Round XL and your Express Ion Dry Plus. Great, Sarah. With firm tension, direct the blow dryer down with your round brush from the base all the way through the ends. Pull the round brush from underneath to create control. Now finish off with Hold Me Tight for that natural hold. Great job, Sarah.